What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an admin to your Facebook page using the mobile app. If you are managing a Facebook page and you want someone else to help run it, you can easily grant them access by assigning a role like admin. First, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access the main menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Pages. This will show you all the pages you manage. Select the page and tap Switch next to the page where you want to add an admin to. Once you've switched to that page, tap the profile icon again to bring up the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. Now scroll until you find the section called Page Setup and tap on it. Inside Page Setup, look for Page Access. This is where you can manage who has control over your page. Once you're in the Page Access section, tap on Add New in the top right. Facebook will show you an explanation of what it means to give someone access. Tap Next and then search for the person you want to give admin access to by typing in their name. Select the correct person, and on the next screen, you will choose the access level. If you give them full control, they will have the same permissions as you, which means they can manage everything, including removing you from the page. So only assign this level to someone you fully trust. Once you've selected the access level, tap Give Access. Facebook will ask you to enter your account password to confirm the change. After that, an invitation will be sent to the person you selected. They will have 31 days to accept the invite. Until they do, the request will remain pending or expire if they don't accept the invitation within the 31-day time period. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.